Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to run Doom on MS-DOS. First, you'll need a suitable MS-DOS environment, which could be an old computer or a modern emulator like DOS Box. Gather your Doom game files. These are usually quite small, often just a few megabytes. Make sure your system has at least 4 megabytes of RAM for the best experience. We'll cover getting everything set up so you can enjoy this classic. Now, let's get those files installed. Create a new directory on your MS-DOS drive, perhaps C, /Doom, to keep things organized. Transfer all the Doom game files into this new folder. This includes the executable files and, most importantly, the WAD files, which contain all the game's levels and assets. A typical installation might involve around 10 to 15 files. Ensuring everything is in its place is crucial for the next steps. With the files in place, it's time to configure Doom. Launch the setup. EXE program to adjust your display, keyboard, and mouse settings. Crucially, you'll want to select your sound card, such as a Sound Blaster or AdLib, for immersive music and sound effects. Pay attention to memory management. Doom requires a good amount of conventional memory, often around 620 kilobytes, to run without issues. Proper configuration makes a huge difference. Finally, it's time to play. From your Doom directory, simply type Doom and press Enter to launch the game. If you run into any issues like out-of-memory errors, revisit your memory settings or check that all files are in the correct location. Many common problems can be solved by adjusting your config. sys or autoexec, BAT files. Enjoy reliving this classic, and remember, online communities are a great resource for advanced troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.